Alright, so welcome again, Military Guna TV. So this is Arsenal starting lineup, my predicted starting lineup versus Mikel Arteta predicted starting lineup. But before I go into it, please hit the like button, drop a like. As I said before, as I'm always saying, help me beat the YouTube algorithm by hitting the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. Now, my starting lineup was like this. I know for a fact that Thomas Partey wasn't playing and Kieran Tierney wasn't playing as well. So my start lineup was like this: Burnley in goal. At right back we have Hector Bellerin. My centre back pairing was actually Holding and Gabriel, and at the left back I had Cedric Suarez. In the midfield pivot went on, I had Dani Ceballos and Granit Xhaka. We know Thomas Partey is out, and up front we have Saka on the right, Odegaard in the central attacking midfield area, Pepe on the left, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang up front. But guess what? Mikel Arteta went a bit more technical with a lot of technical security, also a lot of creative element, which it goes like this. At right back, similar right back, same right back position. He had Hector Bellerin at right back, centre back pairing of David Luiz and Gabriel. Good defender. Strong, solid defender Gabriel is, and the experience from David Luiz as well. Now, at left back, we know Kieran Tierney is still unavailable. So we have Cedric Suarez at left back. Same midfield pairing, Granit Xhaka and Dani Ceballos. In front of them, this is where the changes occur. And Mikel Arteta going for a more creative element, also where you can use these type of players, because he's trying to use some players that are really tactically inept and also quality in possession. So it has Bukayo Saka on the right. Also, Odegaard and Smith Rowe started across the front three, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang up front. This is a game in which you have a lot of creative element, so it means that Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang has to score. There's no way around it, and we can say no, that Aubameyang is not scoring because we're not creative enough. The amount of creative element that is in this team right now. Granit Xhaka is a creative element, deep line creative midfielder. Dani Ceballos is also a creative midfielder as well. He's actually a number 8. And then you have 3 number 10s right behind Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. So you can see this definitely is a gun. I should say is a bloodbath. It is a bloodbath because it can go either way. Either we getting smashed or we smashing them. So I'm okay with starting lineup. Hopefully we can see something else from it. So thank you very much for tuning in. As I said before, hit the like button, help me to beat the YouTube algorithm, and if you're new here, subscribe. Thank you very much. This has been Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.